when Shabba say a trailer load of gun want to come off, it appears that everything clear off a wharf because even the church strap up, if you know for what it worth. A team of officers assigned to the St. Andrew Central Police Division has seized one M1 Garand rifle. This rifle contains 7.62 millimeter rounds on Crescent Road Kingston 11 Jamaica. Reports from the Hunts Bay Police are about 12:53 p.m. Miggle Day. Lawmen were in the area when a church was searched and this rifle was found. Why uno don't name it church? Because it's obvious a bad man church